It's time to bake some cookies. Hey guys, it's Holly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, motherhood videos, so if you enjoy any of those things, I really hope that you would subscribe and stay tuned. Yes, it is time again to get back into the kitchen and do some cookie making. And now I realize we are getting into the spring and summer months, and to be honest, this is not my favorite time of year to be in the kitchen baking cookies. I normally prefer cookie making, dessert making during the fall and winter months. I don't know what it is about that time of year. It just always feels so cozy to me when the weather gets colder to be in the kitchen baking. But there is one particular cookie that I just love during the spring and summer months, and that is my Chewy lemon white chocolate chip cookies. These just scream to me the warm months. They're just so refreshing. I love serving them to friends when they come over for dinner, for dessert, when it is sunny and warm outside. I think it's just the fact that they are lemon flavored. I just think of sunshine and warmer weather. So let's get into the kitchen right now as I share with you my Chewy lemon white chocolate chip cookies.
Here is all the ingredients I will be using for this recipe. Unsalted butter, white sugar, 1 large egg, pure lemon extract, corn syrup, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, and white chocolate chips. Starting off in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of unsalted softened butter, then 1 cup of white sugar. Then I will cream together these two ingredients in my KitchenAid, or you can use an electric hand mixer. I usually let it mix for about 3 minutes, and then I will stop it and scrape the sides. Next, I'm going to add 1 large egg. I always crack open my egg and mix it separately just so I don't get a shell stuck into my batter. Then I will mix this again for another 3 minutes. Next, I will add 2 teaspoons of pure lemon extract. Now, I always use disposable gloves when handling lemon extract because you can get a citrus burn with it. Always be careful. Next will be 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup. I like to use this particular measuring cup because I can get everything out of it. Then for an optional ingredient, I like to add yellow food dye to the batter. This helps give the whole cookies in the end more of that yellow lemon look. And again, it's totally optional. It's just something I like to do. So we'll give that another good mix. Then I'm going to add together my dry ingredients. I'm going to be sifting 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'll mix these together. And then add everything together. Give it a good mix until it looks just like this. Last, I'm going to be adding 3/4 cup of white chocolate chips. Then I'm going to go ahead and put my batter into the refrigerator and let it chill for 1 hour. Once an hour or more is up, I will preheat my oven to 325. With my chilled dough, I will also be getting a bowl of about 1/4 cup of white sugar. Then I'm going to take my dough and roll them into small balls about this size. Roll the balls into sugar, coat them totally, and place them on parchment paper on top of a cookie sheet. In my oven set to 325, I am going to bake these cookies for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are set and they look just like this. Then I'll go ahead and pull them out, maybe leave them on the pan for another minute, but then transfer them to cool on a wired rack. Usually in about 15 or 20 minutes, these cookies are ready to eat. Well, that is it. That is all you have to do to make these delicious white chocolate lemon cookies. And I'm telling you, these cookies are such a treat to enjoy in the spring and summer months, but for the most part, you can enjoy them all year long. These cookies also freeze really well. I have made them before where I've stuck about half the batch in the freezer and pulled them out several weeks later, and they tasted like they were fresh out of the oven. Great for holidays, having friends over, or just for your family to enjoy. We definitely love this cookie recipe, and I hope that you do too. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I post a new video every Tuesday, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.